Children, we are observing 3D view of larynx. So larynx is also called as voice box, and near larynx region, Adam's apple is growing in case of boys, and it makes the boys voice into a choir sound. So here low pitch voice generally we observed in case of boys when they are getting a teenage age. So this is the larynx, and larynx is called as voice box, and here near the larynx Adam's apple is growing, and that is one of the secondary sexual characters in case of males. Here you are observing 3D model of how drastic growth of takes place in case of boys and girls. Here on this screen you are observing graph showing growth of the body during puberty age and also adolescent stage, both in boys and girls. Children, here you are observing gonads in case of males. So during the age of teenage and during the age of adolescent, so boys are having what testes, and testes also called as gonads, and testes are present in scrotum and outside the abdomen, and the growth of the testes takes place when a boy is getting teenage age from 13 to 18 years, and testes also called as that is gonads, and these testes are secreting a male hormone that is called as testosterone hormone. We discuss, so what are the changes that takes place in case of boys, especially during adolescent age, and now we are going to discuss the changes that takes place in the case of girls. So page number 73. So here you are observing children information regarding how, what are the changes that takes place in case of girls. So I told you, so when a child is getting 8 to 13 year in case of girls, and drastic changes takes place in the body of a girl, and the girls are getting high pitch voice, and also growth of hair takes place under armpits, and also growth of hair also takes place near pubic area region, and also development of breast also takes place in case of a girl is getting teenage age or puberty age, and here secondary sexual, all these are called as secondary sexual character that takes place in case of a girl, so when they are getting teenage age or adolescent age. Now I am reading, so what are the changes that takes place in case of girls when they are getting teenage age. So girls exhibit rapid increase in height, so legs they grow faster than the other body organs, number one, and development of shaped muscles. So curved muscle takes place in case of girls, and also development of broad shoulders and narrow waist. and development of high pitch voice, and sweat glands also activated, and sebaceous glands are they also activated, and more sweat and also more sebum is secreted, and these sebaceous glands, sweat glands, and helpful in making the skin soft, and we see a development of acne, also development of pimples on the body. So all these are the changes that takes place when a girl is getting teenage age. So changes in girls, growth of hair in pubic region and under armpits, and ovaries they activate, and ovaries are releasing ova or egg, and they secrete female hormone that is called as estrogen progesterone hormone. Females are matured and active in their reproductive phase, and development of mammary gland takes place under the influence of estrogen hormone, and females exhibit sexual, that is the menstrual cycle, during their reproductive phase. So all these changes that take place in case of girls. Children, now we need to understand the order of pubertal events. The order of pubertal events. So there you see two types. So in case of girls and also in case of boys. So what are the changes that takes place during puberty age in case of girls is given, and the changes that takes place in case of boys also given beneath. So in case of girls, downy pubic hair grows, and appearance of breast buds and growth spurred. So growth is take place, fast growth is occurred, and growth of sexual and also reproductive organ. So reproductive organs are ovaries in case of females, and these reproductive organs they grow when a child is getting pubertal age, and menarche. So here menstrual cycle starts, and secretion of increased skin, also oil glands, sweat and sebaceous gland, and development of underarm hair. So all these changes occurred when a girl getting a teenage age. So now we need to discuss what are the changes takes place in case of boys when they are getting teenage age and adolescent age. So growth of testes takes place. I told you a pair of testes are present in case of boys, in case of males, and testes they grow when a boy is getting teenage age. So under the influence of a male hormone that is called testosterone hormone, which make the testes to grow, and testes are present in scrotum, and testes are secreting testosterone hormone. And next, appearance of pubic hair and growth of facial hair on the body under armpit, and growth of spurt. So drastic changes takes place, and also fast growth is occurred during teenage age, and increased growth of penis. So penis is called as a sexual organ, and this penis size increase when a boy get teenage age, and a deepening of voice, and secretion of increased skin glands, also oil. So skin consists of sebaceous gland, and skin consists of sweat gland, and sweat glands are secreting sweat, and which make the skin that sweat that is moist, and sebaceous glands are secreting sebum, and sebum consists of wax and steroids and hydrocarbon, which make the skin moist and also glow. So that is the reason teenage boys and teenage girls they are having glow skin. So due to the formation, due to the secretion of sebaceous gland, and that is called as sebum. And next, development of facial hair. So children, here in this table we observed, so what are the changes that takes place in case of girls, in case of boys. So here this is the table, that table showing you so how growth takes place in boys and girls. So when a boy is getting 18 years, when a boy is getting when a girl is getting that is 18 years, so complete growth takes place. So after 18th year, and there is no more growth, there is no more growth in case of boys and girls, and growth is stopped. Up to that age, boys and girls they grow, and you are observing, and the age in years growth boys and girls is given in the form of a table. Now we need to understand about what are the secondary sexual characters. in case of boys and girls. So secondary sexual characters help us, make us to distinguish a boy and girl. So boys, they have facial, that is growth of facial hair on the body. So development of mustache, and that is coarse, that is a voice, low pitch voice, and uh, widening of what shoulders, and broadening of chest, and these are the changes that takes place in case of boys, and these are called as secondary sexual characters. And we observe secondary sexual character in girls also. So they also getting what pubic hair, and so growth of hair and armpit, and high pitch voice in case of girls, and development of breast takes place in case of girls. So these are called as secondary sexual characters, and these secondary sexual characters help us to distinguish, make us to distinguish a boy and girl, especially during adolescent age. So there you see, there are characters, there are characters useful to distinguish a male and female. Growth of facial hair and body hair in case of males, and growth of hair in pubic regions in females, and broadening of shoulders and widening of chest in case of males, and widening of hip region in case of female, and narrowing of waist region in case of female, and development of breast in case of female, and mood, that is swings in both the sexes. And boys and girls, they are attaining mental and also emotional maturity when they are getting teenage age, and brain is active, and brain has capability learning more. And now we need to understand about, so what are the in-text questions that are given in this chapter. So already we discussed what changes takes place in during puberty age and during adolescent age, and also we discuss what changes takes place in case of boys, and what are the changes takes place in case of girls. And we now discussing, so there are some questions are given, 5 questions are given. The first question is, enlist any two secondary sexual characters in adolescent. So secondary sexual characters make the boys and girls separate. So here these are called as distinguished characters, and they make the boys and girls to divide. So in case of boys, secondary sexual characters are low pitch voice, and growth of facial hair on the body, and also development of acne and also pimples on the skin, and broadening of shoulders and widening of chest, and these are called as secondary sexual character. Generally we observe in case of males. And in case of females, high pitch voice and development of breast. So these are secondary sexual character. You need to write this answer for this question. Define the term puberty. So puberty is a lifespan, it is a period, and that period is start from the, that is early age of childhood during the period of adolescenthood, and that stage is called as a puberty age. And in case of females, and this puberty start from 8 to 13 years. In case of males, it is about 10 to 14 years. And name the oil secreting glands. So here we have skin, and skin consists of sweat glands and also sebum gland. And sweat glands are secreting sweat, and sebum glands are secreting sebum, and this sebum makes the skin moist and soft. And what is the role of estrogen hormone? Estrogen hormone is a female sex organ hormone which is secreted by the ovaries in case of females, and this estrogen hormone is necessary for to develop secondary sexual characters in case of females, and also it is also helpful in the formation of menstrual cycle, and also development of breast in case of females. And last question, what is also known as teenage? So here teenage age is also called as adolescent age, and it is between 30 to 19 years. And in this teenage age, drastic changes takes place in boys and girls. Children, in this chapter, we discuss what is a teenage age, what is growth, and what is adolescent stage, and what are the changes that takes place during puberty stage in case of boys and girls. And also we discuss, that is in-text questions in this chapter. Thank you, children.